How to find someone on Roblox without their username. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll explore the possibility of hiding previous usernames on Roblox. If you frequently change usernames, you might have encountered the pop-up on your profile that displays your past usernames. Currently, there is no known method to disable this feature. When accessing the Roblox website through your web browser and navigating to the settings, you can explore various sections like account info, security, privacy, billing, parental controls, and app permissions. But unfortunately, the option to hide previous usernames seems to be permanent. Your best course of action may be to reach out to Roblox support team for assistance. By selecting Help at the bottom of the page, you can select the Contact Customer Support, and it's important to note that hiding the previous usernames on Roblox is not possible. This video aims to inform viewers about this limitation rather than spread misinformation. If this information has been helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.